Hey guys, it's Brugas here, and in this video I will talk about how far you can go with free-to-play player. Since, well, I'm not so free-to-play player, I buy a couple things here. For example, I get every day 30 stamina and 30 auto attacks and stuff like this. And yeah, one time I actually buy the big thing where you progress every day. Just 1 second. Yeah, this one right here, down here, this unlock extra rewards. So I don't know if I'm so free-to-play player, but I start see issues with this do not actually have much resources. And I'll start with first thing, and this is the summonings. It's so hard for me to actually get some kind of summonings. Currently I have 16 summoning, I don't know if these gems, stones, okay, stones dice. But it's very hard for me to get this one, Heliolit dice. It's almost impossible. And this thing here actually get resetted. So I'm a little confused. I didn't actually saw that, but if you make 100 summons, I think you can get one legendary, but right now this don't exist, maybe because it's new season, I don't know. But still, this is the first problem and issue I see for free-to-play players, and this is the summonings. It's so hard to get a good heroes. Yeah, you may get some good heroes with these dice. Even I'll make 5 summons, just I don't know, maybe I'll get better luck when I'm on camera. No, just one rare. But still, there's a very good rare heroes, but still I think there is it's really hard for free-to-play players to get a legendary hero. I currently have one legendary hero, and this is the hero that you're going to receive by completing the missions, and this is Eric. Now he's a good one. He's multi-shotter. I mean, he hit couple targets, deals some damage here, and of course the last one is also doing some damage. And it can do this damage to multiple targets. For single target, well, he is good with his ultimate for a single target, but I don't know. But this is one of the free-to-play player legendary heroes that you're going to receive till you progress in the game. And this is the first point I want to make, and this is the summoning is very hard. And from these dices, at maximum you can get epic hero. If we check, yeah, you have 3% chance to get the epic hero, 0% chance to get a legendary hero. So legendary heroes here is very hard, in my opinion, to be get it. And this is the first thing. You will not get many legendary heroes. The second point I want to make is about the stamina or breath or energy. Some people call it different way. And the energy is when you go to dungeons. You want to do some dungeons. You're going to, for example, Goblin Lair 2. Currently I'm doing Goblin Lair 2 to get some experience, because I have in my mind maybe 2-3 rare heroes that I want to level up, but still it's really hard when there is no bread. There is basically nothing that actually can support your journey here. And you can make, okay, I have 210 because I actually buy bread. I use all my gems. The second thing, I use all my gems to actually buy stamina, because in my opinion this is the most important thing in this game. Of course, every challenge is 10 bread. And for the gear rides, if you want to go, for example, where is this thing? I'm not so sure about the domains. I think it was 10 also there, but still, it's very hard. I mean, if you don't spend your gems to actually get some extra stamina, I think it's a 10. Yeah. Now the gear rides is actually 15. And the stamina is going very fast, and it's really slow to be get it again. So I was thinking to spend my gems on summonings, but in same time, one summoning is 350. But in same time, I need a lot of stamina to actually get some good gear. For example, get some critical for my DPS, some critical damage attack. You get the idea. You just want to have better gear. With better gear, since the percentage can increase dramatically if you make the forge and you get good gear, I'm still don't have legendary gear, but I'm on my way to get legendary gear. And when you perform some kind of forging, you're going to get random status on the item, and when you reforge this item, you're going to get extra status. So you want to get the best gear, and this costs also stamina. And stamina is, again, really hard to be get it. If you want to buy stamina, you have even limited purchase per day to get some bread. To get some bread. So yeah, this is the second point I want to make. Still, the game provides us with very good heroes, even rare heroes. My best example is Sigrid, that you can actually go through the stages and get some extra stuffs, open new dungeons, and basically progress in the game. But in general, it's really hard with the stamina or bread, and it's really hard with the summonings. So yes, free-to-play players can go further in the game, but it's going to be very slow. Since if you don't have the right heroes, you have to count on your gear. And this gear mean a lot of farming. And a lot of farming mean a lot of bread till you get the right gear, the right status for this gear, to get some extra accuracy if you're looking to get some debuffs on and stuff like this. So yeah, this is my 2 cents on this this discussion about how far the free-to-play players can go in Dragonheir Silent Gods. I think they can go far, but definitely they have to stick on the gears, because we see from the summonings is very hard to actually get something. And to get some legendary gear, maybe I get some. No. Still nothing here, but there is a quest that is going to give you, for example, five of these. But what is the chance you actually get the right things you want to get from these gears? So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.